In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a block on Squarespace. If you've ever created a website using Squarespace, you know how versatile and powerful it can be, but sometimes we need to hide certain elements, maybe because they're not quite ready for prime time or perhaps they're seasonally relevant. Regardless of the reason, I'll walk you through how to achieve this in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Squarespace account. This step is straightforward. Simply head over to the Squarespace homepage and click on the login button. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials, but if you prefer, you can opt to click on the Continue with Google button. This is a great option if you're already logged into Google, as it simplifies the process by linking your accounts. Once you've successfully logged in, the next thing you'll do is select your website. Just click on your website thumbnail and this will take you directly to the dashboard. This is where you'll find all the backend tools needed to manage and customize your site. From the dashboard, you'll navigate to the Pages section. The Pages area is the heart of your website structure, so head over there to find the page containing the block you want to hide. Now, what you're looking for next is something called Website Tools. Click here and you'll see an option named Custom CSS. This is where the magic happens. In the Custom CSS section, you'll have the ability to input custom code to modify your site's appearance. This is particularly powerful for those small tweaks and adjustments that make your site unique. To hide a block, you'll need the CSS code specific for your block's ID. Once you've identified the block ID, you'll type in your CSS code, appending, for instance, our block ID our display, none. Making sure to replace block ID with the actual ID of your block. This line of CSS code essentially tells the browser to hide the designated element. With your code in place, there's only one critical step left, clicking on Save. This is very important because if you forget to save, none of the changes will be applied to your website. Once saved, refresh your site to ensure the block is hidden as intended. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to hide any block on Squarespace. Remember, you can always come back and unhide any element by simply removing or altering the CSS you added. Thank you for watching, and I hope this makes your website management a bit smoother and more intuitive. Happy designing,